Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Rachael Ray dog food is probably one of the most talked about brands in the pet food aisle, and for good reason. With a variety of formulas designed to meet the specific needs of dogs at different life stages, from playful puppies to wise seniors, this brand aims to provide balanced nutrition that supports overall health and vitality. Many owners are drawn to the appealing ingredient lists, often featuring real meat as the primary protein source, and the absence of artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, making it a choice that feels good to serve your furry family member. Number 5. Nutrish Small Breed Real Chicken and Veggies Recipe Dry Dog Food. Real chicken is the primary ingredient in this food. It's a great source of protein that helps maintain lean muscle and supports healthy organs. The kibble pieces are specially designed to be small. This makes them ideal for small breed dogs to easily chew and digest. This is a natural food for dogs, enriched with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. It provides complete and balanced nutrition for your furry friend. Specifically formulated for small breed dogs, this recipe ensures they get the right nutrition in every bite. It supports their overall health and well-being. From Nutrish, this dry dog food is made with quality ingredients you can trust. Give your small dog the wholesome goodness they deserve. Please note that the packaging may vary. Rest assured, the quality and nutritional content remain the same. What we like? This one is perfect for your little companions. The kibble size is specifically designed for small mouths, making mealtime easier. If you have a small breed dog and want a food with real chicken as the primary ingredient, you should consider this option. What people say. Ingredients are well balanced and small enough for our pooch. They get fed a mix of home-cooked meals and a small portion of this food. They really like it. Their health is great as well. I recommend for small breeds. My older dog is getting to the point where he doesn't like anything too hard, and this food is perfect for him. Smaller pieces make it easier for him to chew and doesn't take him as long as with the bigger kibble. He has remained very active and healthy throughout his lifetime on this brand dog food. Number 4. Nutrish High Protein Dry Dog Food Beef, Potato and Peas Recipe. Introducing a premium dry dog food crafted with real beef as the number 1 ingredient. It's packed with high-quality protein to support lean muscle mass. This formula provides an impressive 30% protein, essential for maintaining strong muscles. It's made with a blend of beef, venison, and lamb for optimal nutrition. Nourish your dog from the inside out. Real lamb and essential fatty acids contribute to healthy skin and a shiny coat. We believe in natural goodness. This food is enriched with vitamins, minerals, and taurine to support a healthy heart and strong muscles. You can trust the quality. This formula is veterinarian reviewed and free from poultry byproduct meal, artificial preservatives, flavors, or colors. Feel good about your purchase. Every bag helps support animals in need through the Rachael Ray Foundation. What we like? Fuel your active dog with this high-protein formula. It contains 30% protein, with real beef as the number 1 ingredient, supporting lean muscle mass. If you're looking for a robust food to support an energetic dog and want to avoid poultry byproducts, this is a great choice. What people say. My dog has been eating this food for 2 years now and he is doing great. He has been on this food for 2 years now and he is doing great. My dog has been eating this food for 2 years now and he is doing great. Number 3. Nutrish Dish Premium Natural Dry Dog Food. Introducing Nutrish Dish, a premium natural dry dog food designed for your canine companion. It's crafted with high-quality ingredients to support their health and well-being. The primary ingredient is U.S. farm-raised chicken, providing a delicious and protein-rich foundation. This recipe is thoughtfully combined with wholesome brown rice and other beneficial ingredients. You can see the real meat, vibrant veggies, and fruit that go into every bite. It's a natural dog food packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and taurine for complete nutrition. We believe in purity, which is why this food contains no poultry byproduct meal, fillers, artificial preservatives, colors, or artificial flavors. It's simply good, honest nutrition. This convenient 3.75-pound bag ensures your furry friend has a consistent supply of their favorite meal. Give them the taste and nutrition they deserve. What we like? This option offers a delicious blend of real meat and wholesome ingredients. You can actually see the real meat, veggies, and fruit in every bite. If you appreciate a natural dog food with visible, quality ingredients and no fillers, this is the one for your furry friend. What people say. You can actually see not just the kibble but all of the fruits, vegetables, and chicken in the dog's bowl. There are plentiful chunks of dried carrots, little bacon-shaped things, peas, chicken chunks, etc. All the meat is named meat, i.e. poultry fat versus animal fat, which is a good thing. The male of the two, one's a female, the other a male, their brother and sister, even likes to take out some of the nuggets and dehydrated carrot chips and slap and chase and play around with them, from time to time. Number 2. Nutrish grain-free dry dog food, salmon and sweet potato recipe. Give your adult dog the best with this premium, grain-free dry food. It's packed with delicious salmon and sweet potatoes, perfect for dogs of all ages. Real salmon is the primary ingredient, providing the protein your dog needs. This supports lean muscle development and healthy organ function. Our formula is completely free from added grains and gluten. You won't find any poultry byproduct meal here either. This natural dog food is enhanced with essential vitamins, minerals, and taurine. It's a complete and balanced meal for your furry friend. Choosing this food means you're helping animals in need. A portion of every purchase supports the Rachael Foundation. What we like. For dogs with sensitivities or owners preferring a grain-free diet, this is an excellent choice. Featuring salmon as the first ingredient, it's packed with protein and essential nutrients without any grain or gluten. If you are looking for a grain-free diet for your dog, this formula is a top contender. What people say. Great for digestive system. Low to no flatulence for our dogs. They adjusted quickly to the flavor. My older dog had no chewing problems. Seemed to have the correct softness and crunch. My dog loves this food. His breed is intolerant to grain. So, I'm always mindful. He's a Great Pyrenees mix with Staffordshire Terrier and Pit Bull Terrier. This food has been great for his nutrition. Wheat made our dog throw up, and once we figured that out, this food worked great. No more vomiting up meals. I love the natural ingredients. Our dog ate this for about 13 or 14 years of her 16 years of life, and up until her last few months, she was super healthy. Definitely buying this brand again for any new pack members in the future. Number 1. Nutrish Rachael Savory Favorites Variety Pack Wet Dog Food. Introducing Nutrish Rachael Savory Favorites, a premium wet dog food. It's made with real meat and inspired by recipes from Rachael's own kitchen. This variety pack features 3 delicious options: chicken paw pie, hearty beef stew, and savory lamb stew. Your dog will love every bite. We believe in using only the best ingredients. That's why these recipes are made with real chicken or beef, ensuring a nutritious meal for your furry friend. You can feel good about what you're feeding your dog. Our wet food is free from corn, wheat, and soy ingredients, making it a wholesome choice. This natural wet dog food is enhanced with essential vitamins and minerals. It provides complete and balanced nutrition for your dog's overall health. We never use artificial flavors or preservatives. You can trust that your dog is getting a pure and natural meal every time. What we like. Offer your dog a delightful mealtime experience with this wet food variety pack. It features 3 mouth-watering recipes inspired by Rachael's kitchen, made with real meat. If you like to give your dog a variety of flavors and want to avoid corn, wheat, or soy, this pack is a fantastic option. What people say. It's made with real beef as the number 1 ingredient. The texture is perfect for mixing into his regular kibble or serving as a standalone meal. You can see all the healthy ingredients and feel good about what she's eating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.